Some hearts are full of faith, but still feel empty. In today's gospel, Jesus says, new wine is poured into fresh wineskins. What does that mean? The new wine is the new life, mercy, and love that Jesus wants to pour into us. But if our hearts are hardened by pride, anger, guilt, or fear, we cannot fully receive what He wants to give. Jesus did not come merely to change our habits. He came to transform our hearts. That is why Christianity is not just about following rules. It is about allowing God to make us new from within. Today, Jesus is inviting you to open your heart again. Let go of what keeps you stuck. Surrender what weighs you down. And pray with confidence. Create in me a pure heart, O God, and renew a steadfast spirit within me. Because when we give Jesus a renewed heart, He fills it with the joy and grace of new life. Amen.